Hi, this is the third part of bit manipulation series. In this video we will see C program to reset a particular bit. If you did not watch the previous videos, then please watch that videos to get the concept of bit manipulation and about set and reset. So let's start. For example, you are given to take 8-bit number from user and at particular position you have to reset that bit. Reset means 0, it is independent of previous bit. No matter it was 0 or 1, it will have to be 0. Now to get this, let's build a logic first. After understand the logic, we will implement the logic in C program. Let the user input bits are 101000101 and position is 3. Now if we do bitwise and operation the input with 11111011, which means having 0 at reset position, then we will get the desired output. Now let's write C program. Hash include stdio.h. int main. Now to store 8 bits of data, we will use char data type and also will use unsigned so that 8 bits will be magnitude only and MSB bit will not be signed bit. Input to take user input and output to store desired output. int pos to store the position of reset bit. Let's take input, scanf, the format specifier for unsigned, char, numerical value is HHU. Now let's take another unsigned, char, variable a, initializing with 1. We will left shift this variable by position -1 and then we'll do bitwise invert. For example, user input is 2 whose binary is 00000010 and position is 2. So variable a will be left shift by 2 - 1 equal to 1 and invert. Now by doing bitwise and, with this variable a, an input, we will get output. So let's write code again. Output is equal to input, bitwise, and, with a, now we can print the output using printf. So this is the code for reset a particular bit. If you want more videos like this, subscribe the channel. Thank you.